Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Without wasting any time, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to appear offline on WhatsApp so that people can see whether like you're online or you're offline. Okay, let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you're going to press, okay, for today's video we're going to be using WhatsApp Business. Okay, we're going to just click on the WhatsApp app here, press here. Okay, let's wait. And after you're done here, wait. Let's go to the three buttons here on the top right. There's three dots here on the top right button here. After here, you're going to go on settings. And after here, you're going to go on account. Then after here, you're going to click on privacy. As you can see, it says security, change number, delete my account. For today's video, you're going to be clicking on privacy because it's all about privacy. We don't want people to see whether we are online or offline. Click here on privacy. After here, as you can see, it says last seen and online. They can be seen they can be seen by everyone. So like in today's video, we're gonna change this thing from everyone. As you can see, it says who can see my last seen. It can be everyone, it can be your contact, it can be your contact except for certain people. But for today, we don't want anyone to see our online activation. Yeah. So let's press here on nobody. As you can see, it says who can see when I'm online. Same as last seen, nobody. After here, you're gonna press on back. Press on back. As you can see now, it says last seen, nobody. Profile photo, it can be everyone, it can be your contacts, but you can also choose nobody. And then after here, as you can see, we're done, guys. That's how easy it is to hide your last seen. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And then as you can see, you must here where it says read receipts, you can press on the off, you can click it off here. So no one is gonna see when you read their message. So like they won't see when you read their message, and they won't see you when you're online or offline. Just as you can see, it's on. You're gonna have to put it off. It's off. Read receipts, and last seen nobody. Profile photo can be everyone. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you guys.